I did a thing once when I disappeared. Won't tell you what that was all about, but when I was coming to, like I said, the first thing was something was as if touching me. Something was coming to me. See, my awareness, something is going. Somehow it's coming to me, like as if touching me in a way. That's the way I kind of thought of it. See? And then in a little while, it became a sound. See, first it wasn't a sound, it's like somehow something was just touching me. And then, or getting to me, see? Getting to my awareness. And then it became a sound, and then it became a bird chirping outside the window. See? But it was clearly had the stages. So in any case, I had to build that, you see, I had to get that. This, whatever this is sound. Whatever the sound is, what's the sound of? It's the bird. So I had to do that. And I could watch it because it took time. So it took some time to do that. And in any case, I'm saying all perception is indirect. I understand it's difficult to understand. But direct consciousness is not indirect. That means there is no separation. There is no there's no access. There is no moving from place to place. It is already true, and you just become conscious of what's already true. That's all. That is all.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.